Today I'm revealing the top 6 best cargo carrier for hitch and roof combo, because if you are like me, your car is never big enough on a road trip. I was looking for setups that actually work both ways, hitch and roof, not just one or the other. And I found 6 that are totally different. Some convert, some bundle, some you pair together to double your space. All the links I talk about I added in the description below so you can check current prices. Let's get into it. Number 6. TANX Cargo Carrier. This is technically sold as a roof basket, but here is why I put it in the combo list. It is wide enough that you can use it on the roof for your bulky light stuff, and then pair it with any cheap hitch carrier for the heavy stuff. That combo strategy is actually what a lot of overlanders do, and I found it works really well. First impression, it is 51 by 36 inches. Like, that is cooler sized. You can throw a full-size cooler, camping chairs, tote bins, all at once. It's a real platform, not a tiny rack. Build is heavy-duty steel tube, feels solid and stable. Comes with the waterproof bag, cargo net, ratchet straps. So you get the full kit, not just the basket alone. But, and this is my real observation, it is open. So if it rains without the bag, your stuff is soaked. And it is big, so wind noise? Yeah, you will hear it on the highway at 70. Still, for the price and that platform size, if you need maximum space up top for the roof part of your combo, this is hard to beat. Good starting point. Pros. Massive platform fits coolers and totes easily. Full bundle includes bag and straps. Super sturdy steel frame, build quality. Cons. Open basket needs bag in rain. Big size creates some wind noise. Number 5. CURT Cargo Carrier. Now this one is the opposite of the TANX. This is a hitch-focused beast. CURT is like a legitimate towing brand, so this thing is rated for £500. 500. That is a lot of gear. It is 60 inches wide, so longer than most hitch carriers. What I like, it comes with that 18 cubic feet waterproof bag. That is not a tiny duffel, that is actually big enough for 3 or 4 duffels or a big family tent. The black carbide powder coat. Looks good, does not rust quick, and it has the folding shank so you can flip it up against the car when you are not using it. Super handy in a parking lot or garage. I found the anti-wobble stabilizer actually works. Some carriers shake like crazy and rattle. This one, once you tighten it, it is pretty locked in. No rattle, no sway. Downside? It is heavy. Steel is durable, but yeah, you are not one hand installing this by yourself. You need 2 hands. And it is a basket, so again, not lockable like a hard box. You need the bag for weather protection. If you carry heavy, dirty gear, generators, firewood, coolers full of stuff, this is your hitch solution in the combo. Pros. Huge 500-pound weight capacity rating. Folding shank saves parking space. Includes big waterproof bag included. Cons. Heavy steel makes install harder snows. Not lockable like hard shell. Number 4. ORCISH Cargo Carrier. This is the only one that is hitch carrier, roof basket, and a wagon cart. Like, what? 3-in-1 product. So you get the basket, but it comes with all-terrain wheels and a handle. So you pull into a campsite, you pop it off your hitch, and you just wheel your gear to your tent. I did not expect to like that feature, but honestly, that is genius. I found it super practical for camping. It is 59 by 23 inches, so pretty long and deep. Foldable design too, so it collapses down for storage in your garage. Fits a standard 2-inch receiver, no adapter needed at all. Build quality is decent. Heavy-duty steel, high walls, so stuff does not slide off on turns or bumpy roads. But let's be real, the wagon conversion takes a minute to set up. It is not 10 seconds. You gotta attach wheels. And because it does 3 things, it is a bit more complicated than a simple basket. Still, if you are doing camping, beach trips, tailgating, that wagon mode is a game changer. No more 5 trips from the car to the beach. Pros. Clever 3-in-1 wagon cart design. Foldable for easy garage storage. High walls keep cargo contained. Cons. Wagon setup takes extra time. Heavier due to extra hardware. Number 3. Mockins Cargo Carrier. So this is not one product, it is 2 Mockins products paired together, and this is probably what most people actually end up buying when they search best cargo carrier for hitch and roof combo on Amazon. You get the Mockins 60 by 20 hitch carrier, 500-pound capacity, folding, with a 16 cubic feet waterproof bag. And then you get their 84-inch extendable roof basket with a 35 cubic feet bag. 35, that is insane. That is like a whole closet up top. Why I like Mockins, they include everything. Straps, net, hitch tightener, everything. You open the box and you are ready to go. I found reviewers consistently say this is the best value bundle out there. I get why, it just works. The roof basket extends 40, 63 or 84 inches, so you can adjust it based on your car size. Small car, short mode. Big sport utility vehicle, long mode. Smart design, the 10-year warranty too. Most others give you like 1 year. Mockins gives you 10 years. That is confidence. Cons? 2 separate installs. You got to mount the roof basket and the hitch basket. That is a Saturday afternoon project. And the roof basket is big, so if you have a small sport utility vehicle, it might look a bit much, a bit oversized. Pros: complete kit with all accessories included. Extendable roof rack fits many vehicles. 10-year warranty beats most competitors. Cons: requires 2 separate installations. Roof basket looks huge on small cars. Number 2, MeeFar cargo carrier. This is the MeeFar 60 by 20 by 6 folding hitch carrier with the 16 cubic feet waterproof bag. And I gotta say, I found this might be the best all-rounder for the hitch side of your hitch and roof combo. Let's see, what did I find? First off, it is rated for £500. Same heavy-duty rating as CURT and Mockins. Tubular steel with that black epoxy powder coating, so it is strong but still relatively lightweight for what it is, and rust-resistant. Dimensions are 60 long, 20 wide, 6 tall with a mesh base, so you can hose it off after a muddy trip and dirt falls through. And this is clever. It has an angled shank with a 2-inch rise for improved ground clearance, so if you have a low car or you take it off-road a bit, you are not scraping every driveway or speed bump. I did not expect that, but that is a nice touch I found really useful. Safety at night. It has reflectors built in on the back. Small thing, but when your carrier is loaded and it is dark on the highway, you want people to see you from behind. Good safety addition. Now the bundle. You get the waterproof bag, 16 cubic feet. It is 58 by 19 by 24 inches, plus hitch stabilizer to kill that wobble and noise, cargo net with hooks, ratchet straps. So literally everything in one box. No extra shopping needed. Pros: angled shank gives extra ground clearance. Reflectors add night driving safety visibility. Folds up flat for compact storage. Includes waterproof bag plus net straps. Cons: steel frame weighs almost 60 pounds. Can show rust if left wet. Number 1. CargoLoc cargo carrier. This is the only one on this list that is literally designed to be both. Same carrier, you can mount it on your hitch or on your roof racks. You just swap the hardware. It comes with 2 sets of bolts, longer ones for hitch, shorter for roof. Super simple. 48 by 19.5 inches. So not the biggest, but here is why I put it at number 1 for best cargo carrier for hitch and roof combo. It is 150 pounds capacity on the roof, 500 pounds on the hitch. So it is strong both ways. Steel construction, only 29.6 pounds itself, so you can actually lift it onto the roof without calling your neighbour for help. That is huge. Easy assembly, like 15 minutes. And it fits pretty much everything. Crossover utility vehicles, sport utility vehicles, cars, trucks. Very universal fit. What I found interesting, people in the reviews use it for like 700-mile camping trips, strapping totes on it, no issues at all. Totally solid. Some said they wish it was 4 or 5 inches wider, which I get, but for a convertible design that does both hitch and roof. That is pretty good engineering for the price. So if you want one carrier that can do both jobs and you do not want to buy 2 separate systems, this is it. True hitch and roof combo. No extra purchase needed. Pros: only true convertible hitch-to-roof design. Lightweight at under £30 total. Best price for dual functionality. Cons: narrower than 60-inch baskets. Requires hardware swap between modes. Hopefully this helped you decide which combo makes sense for your car and your trip. Links to all 5 are in the description if you want to check current pricing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.